Pharmacology Project Introduction. Myself Gautam Kannan Mohitan. We see above the introduction, project steps, secondary metabolite and active ingredient, plant authentication process, extraction process, analysis of extraction by chemical method by using chromatography, then animal used in laboratory, and application for permission of animal experiments and thesis writing.
We saw about project step. First we select the topic, then literature survey is very important, then go to analysis of novel, selection of experiment, preparation of experiment, then experiment of analysis, then at last recording of observation, then collecting of data, then go to the thesis preparation. We publish our article like review article and research article.
We see the most used topics. Rat is most preference than mice because of its handling. First hepatoprotective, diabetes, then wound healing, then ulcer, then anti-inflammatory, then neuro effect, then cancer studies, then toxicology studies both in chronic and acute, then go to
asthma and diarrhea studies. So we select the active ingredient to do the experiment. First, plant or Ayurvedic product or marketed drugs or synthetic product. In plant, we do the extraction by succulent apparatus, mostly for quantitative determination. Then cold maceration for qualitative. Then we do the quantification by HPLC, GCMS methods. Then marketed body, its raw materials so much cost.
See about what are the secondary metabolites and active ingredients. Metabolites are intermediates and products of metabolism. Metabolites types are primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. A primary metabolite is directly involved in the normal growth, development and reproduction. Examples: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid. Then a secondary metabolite is not directly involved in those processes but usually has important ecological functions derived from environmental factors. Examples: antibiotics and mycotoxins. Primary metabolite, also called central metabolites, it's used for proper growth, development and reproduction. Examples: alcohols such as ethanol and lactic acids. Example is citric acid. It produced by Aspergillus niger. It is a primary metabolite. Plant hormones, also called as secondary metabolites. It protects against microbial pathogens and attract for pollination and seed dispersing animals. Categories of secondary metabolites: mycotoxins, antibiotics, alkaloids, amino acids, steroids, vitamins. Alkaloids: cyanogenic glycoside, flavonoids, phytic acid, gossypol, phytoestrogen, carotenoids. Plant authentication process. The plant authentication, we get the bona fide certificate from college. Request letter for authentication plant of our plant name, signed by project guide, principal sir and student. Example of plant authentication certificate. We see about extraction process. Extraction is a method to remove or getting active constituent from a solid liquid substance by means of liquid solvent. Types of extract is dry extract, soft extract and liquid extract as tincture. Highly selective solvent to dissolve our active ingredient from origin is used. Methods of extraction: infusion, decoction, digestion, maceration, percolation, continuous hot extraction, supercritical fluid extraction, countercurrent extraction, microwave assist extraction, ultrasonation assist extraction. Analysis of extraction. Qualitative test by for carbohydrate, Mollis test, filling test, Benedict test. Test for alkalides are Tagendorf test, Mayer test, Wagner test, Hackner test. Then go for triterpenoid, Lieberman-Pachman test, Salvosky test. Test for glycosides is legal test and Killer-Kiliani test and Paul-Just test. Test for steroids and sterols are Lieberman-Pachman reaction and Salvoxy reaction. For phenols are ferric chloride test and lead acetate test. Test for tannins are lead acetate test. And test for saponins are foam test and froth test. And test for flavonoids are zinc chloride reduction test and alkaline reagent test. And test for proteins and amino acids are pyruvate ninhydrin tests. Quantitatively, compounds are separated by chromatographic method. Based on chromatographic method is planar chromatography and column chromatography. Based on mobile and stationary base. Case chromatography, liquid chromatography. Based on mechanisms of partition, absorption, size exclusion, affinity, ion exchange chromatography. Mostly preference is HPLC, GCMS methods are used to separate the compound. Animals used in laboratory: rabbit, guinea pig, rat, mice, hamster, monkey, dog, pig. Application for permission for animal experiment. Name and address of establishment, registration number and date of registration, name, address, registration number of breeder from whom animals acquired or to be rescued for animals mentioned in Part B and C, name and address and registration number, place where the animals are presently kept, place where the experiment is to be performed, date on which the experiment is to be commenced and duration of experiment, type of research involved, basic research or educational or regulatory. Part B. Project title, then chief and principal investigator, name, designation, department, number, email ID, and student name, email ID, and funding source with complete address. Duration of project, number of months, date of initiation, date of completion. Study objective, aim, objective, then go to animal record, species, age, weight, size, gender, number of numbers to be used, number of day each animal will be housed, proposal source of rationale for animal uses. Why is animal usage is necessary for these studies? Why are the particular species selected required? Why are the estimated number of animals essential? Similar experiment conducted in the past? If so, number of the animals and results obtained in brief. If yes, why new experiment is required? Have similar experiment has been made by another organization, agency? If so, there is a result in your knowledge. Description procedure to be used. Include in detail protocol attachment as annex around. Substance, doses, sites, blood withdrawal volumes, sites, radiation doses and schedules. Please provide brief description of similar studies from in vitro or in vivo from other animal models on same or similar test component or line of research. If any information is available, justify the proposed reasons. Does the protocol prohibit use of anesthetic or analgesic for the conduct of painful procedure, if which case more pain than that associated with routine injection or blood withdrawal? If yes, explanation and justification. By survival surgery to be done? If yes, the following to be described. Attached as annex if required. List and description of all such surgical procedures, including methods of aspects, name, qualification, and experience levels of operator. Description of post-operative care. Justification if major surgical surgery is to be performed more than once a single individual animal. Method of disposal post-experimentation. Euthanasia specific method. Method of disposal rehabilitation. Animal transportation method if extraditional transportation. Use of hazardous agent, radionucleotide, biological agent, hazardous chemicals, recombinant DNA, any other. If your project involves use of any of the above, attach the copy of Minute of Institutional Biosafety Committee graduate granting approval, declaration and signed. Tabulated breakup of total animals records. Group-wise division of laboratory animal must be mentioned. Animals record per group. Total laboratory animal experiment. Brief summary of experiment protocol design experiment. Title, animal species and strain, gender, age, weight. Aim, objective, materials and methods, review of literature, grouping of animals. Our specific activity for experimental study, species, age, weight, size, gender, number of to be used, then go to parameters to be evolved. Then reference. Thesis writing. Thesis writing. Title page, name of the candidate, registration number, kind name, college name, research year of submission, inner title page, same details on white background, certificate from head of the institution, certificate from research guide, certificate from ethical committee for approval of study, declaration by student, acknowledgement. Index, highlight the chapter titles and section title. Index for table figures and plans, abbreviation and symbols, material used in, that is product details, name of company, batch number, etc. Equipment used in study with model number and other details. Inner part contain aim and objectives of investigator, introduction and literature survey, description method and materials, etc. Experimental work, result and discussion, summary and conclusion, reference at the end of this according to the our comments. This thesis should be typed in Times New Roman, font size is 12 and space line 1.5, including title, chapter, section. Follow scientific grammar for in vivo, that is italic also. Citation of reference. Primary citation is more important than secondary or higher reference. Presentation of research is in Vancouver style. It includes all author name, not like at all. No code is used. Like example is Pandaprosol, full name is used in the text. At last, thank you to all.